On the back.
There is no place to come like this.
Today is dance.
Huh?
Today dance.
Dance.
Yeah. Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam.
Tomorrow drama.
Not drama tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Today dancing? Yes.
Only dancing. Very good.
Should we announce the names first?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. This morning, two devotees have received Harinam initiation from Srila Gurudev. Please stand up when we call your name. Bhaktin Gita, please stand up.
तुम चले आओ इधर चले आ पर
Gurudev. Jagmohini.
What name he is?
Jagmohini Gita.
We are giving a very good name. Krishna is Jagmohan. No? But her, she is Jagat Mohini. Jagat Mohini? Very priya Sakhi of Srimati Radhika. Jagan Mohini Devi ki.
Then Bhaktin Christina Conquest. Please stand up. Chandra Chakori.
Very good name we have selected. Krishna is like moon. And Chakori always charmed with Krishna and serving Krishna. And she is called Chandra Chakori. Chandra Chakori ki. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरत्सिषे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो भक्त्या विहीनाय पराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्तास्य कामातितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दं यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोष तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नमाम चरणं very good. I have told about Vrishabhanandini Srimati Radhika. She never goes out of Vrindavan. No? Like Brajendanandan Krishna. And her manifestation in Nandagaon when Krishna goes to Mathura, that she is called Viyogini. Though one thing, but by some instinct move,
intrinsic,
inner force, these changes has been told. For devotees, those who want to know all these things, very high things these are. So I have told about Vyogini, how she was feeling so much separation for Krishna. Really she was feeling. If you know that, Radhika is always in Vrindavan and meeting with Krishna, then sadhak cannot feel separation. And for sadhak, it is most essential to feel separation. Here separation is bhakti. Sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. If you are not feeling separation for your Gurudev, for devotees, especially for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and not feeling separation for conjugal, for Vrindavan, then your bhajan sadhana is useless. If your child, you miss your child anywhere for a day and you are searching him but you cannot find him, then what will be? Will you feel some separation for that boy? Can you take something? Can you take sleep in night if he is missing? If you are feeling separation for your children, your husband, your wife, but not feeling separation for conjugal, Gurudev, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu, for Vrindavan, then I think our bhajan is so much degraded, like zero. For this relationship, initiation is given to fill some separation. I think that if you have $100 here in your pocket, but by miss you missed it here and there, and you wanted to buy anything from any shop, and you saw in your pocket, oh, where? Where did it? Oh, where it has gone? Have I left there or there or there? And you become so
restless.
Worried and restless. But you are not being restless for your bhajan. If you are not chanting properly and you are not feeling these things, what is this bhajan? You are not doing bhajan and you still doing ha ha hu hi, taking. No, or if there is no these beads here, no, you have lost your bead bags for 20 days and you are doing easily your everything, your all jobs. What is this bhajan? And nowadays it is becoming like a fashion to keep here bead bag, and hand will go automatically, but tongue will not do anything. But not Harinam, no remembering. Only practice that fingers will run after big bags. This is not. It should not be any outwardly thing. So you should judge yourself in your heart, keeping your hands here. Am I right? I am practicing right in a proper way or not? What is the fruit? My heart is melting or not? Tears are coming in my eyes for Krishna name when I chant. Oh, where is Krishna? When I will meet Krishna? When I will serve? Oh, Gurudev, be merciful to me. Oh, Giriraj Govardhan, we have heard that you are very merciful. Oh, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, you are ocean of mercy. Why you are not showering your mercy on me? I have heard that you have showered your mercy to Jagai Madhai. They did not want it even, and forcibly we gave, you gave. And why not me to me? Then weep, but no weeping, no tears. So these are the process of doing bhajan. So you should try to be like that. So today I am going to tell something about Sanjogini Radha. If Radha is always, Srimati Radhika Vishwanandani is always in Vrindavan, and Vyogini Radha is also in Vrindavan, not going out of Vrindavan. Who went to Kurukshetra? Who went? Then Sanjogini Radha went there. How? We are giving a glimpse of this, an outline of this. Once in Dwapar, in the end of Dwapar Yug, about 5,000 years before, Krishna has gone to Dwarka. He has married with 16,108 wives. Rukmini, Satyabhama and all others, Kalindi and all others. All very beautiful. At that time in whole world they were. In whole world. But don't conclude Vrindavan, because Radha, Srimati Radhika and Lalita Vishakha were there. They were more beautiful. So Krishna was there, and he was so unhappy. When he used to see sometimes Rukmini in the night on her bed, and he used to pull the veil of Rukmini. Oh Radhe, oh Radhe, I cannot live without you. And weeping so whole night. Even he was on the bed of Rukmini. And Rukmini, without any word, seeing all these things. His pillow began to wet with so much tears, bedding even. So Krishna thought that I should meet anywhere with gopis, that Radha and all others, my father and mother. Till so many years since I have not been to Vrindavan. But I cannot go to Vrindavan. There are some reasons. If I am going there, then I am disturbing them. There will be more feeling separation. They will remember more. If there is any cut, but if you give some
Salt,
lemon or salt, then what it will be? More pain. So Krishna is going there, then it means that Krishna is giving salt or lemon on that cutting. So it becomes renewed. So he don't want to disturb them. Let them happy anyhow. Because I am in Dwarka and they are thinking, seeing Tamal tree. Oh, he is Krishna. Here is Krishna. Krishna has gone to cow herding and now he has returned, and they began to embrace that tree, thinking Krishna, he is Krishna. And sometimes laughing, joking, and decorating themselves. So Krishna thinks, let them somewhat happy. And if I will go there, oh, they will weep and weep and weep. They will come in sense, perhaps, and then will go. So I should not go to Vrindavan, but anyhow I went to meet them. There was at that, when he was there in Dwarka, after about, at the age of perhaps 80, but Krishna was even that of 16 years old, not like us. His body was transcendental. So he looks like always like 16 years. Very teeny is it. At that time, there was a full sun.
Lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse.
Solar eclipse.
Eclipse.
And at that time, Kurukshetra was very sacred place in whole India. Very sacred place. Because there, Brahma has done thousands of, lakhs of austerities there. Especially who did? Parshuram. After killing 21 times whole Kshatriyas in whole world, and his farsa means axe was always wetted with new bloods. And he came there. And he had very big austerities there, very hard. So this place is very sacred. Also, Prithu Maharaj, when the earth was not fertile, everywhere hills, some water here and there, then he made it very flat and
fertile and plain.
Fertile land. And he did so many austerity. So all Indian persons, religious persons, they assembled there, lakhs and lakhs. 1 crore, more than crores, all over India, especially Bhisham Pitama. And his whole family from Hastinapur, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, Yudhishthir, Draupadi, Kunti, all there. Especially these sages, Rishi Muni, like Narad, Vyas, Kavi, Havi, Antariksha, Prabuddha, Pippalayan, also Vishwamitra, Vasishta, Atri, so many. About more than 1 lakh of these saints, sadhus, were also assembled there. Krishna came from Dwarka with his whole family, keeping old one and their army leader there in Dwarka, with his sons and all wives, all decorated. They came to take bath in Kurukshetra and to give donation to Brahmins and others. Because at that sacred time, if anyone donating, then it is a very sacred thing. So we still, Indian religious people, they take bath 3 times and the last they give so much donation of lakhs and lakh cows, so much gold, silver, so much cloths, garments and other things. At that time they were not engaged only to with their family only, to maintain their family. They used to give so much donation for their other past activities
relatives
and for future activities. So all there. All the kings of whole India, or we may tell that India was not as it is today. Caspian, the place of Kashyap Rishi, Mangal Rishi, Mongolia, Australia, Partha, and so many, Indonesia, mini Asia. So, Bali, all were in India at that time. So it was very large, like a country. And all whole world were connected to each other. All were influenced by Vedic culture at that time. So, all were assembled there. Nand Maharaj knew by any messenger that my son has come to Kurukshetra. So he declared that we should go there. Only some old persons and some persons, they should be here to watch and look after to guard Vrindavan, Braja, Gokul, Nandagaon. And they should all go by carts there. And they used their carts and went there. That all were assembled in the council of Krishna there. Vasudeva Maharaj, Bhisham Pitama, all the devil on Narad, Vyas, all races were there. And there were glorifying Krishna and Baldev. And Baldev and Krishna touching the feet of all the rishis. Bhisham Pitama, Kunti Devi, because Kunti Devi was
Auntie of Krishna.
what? Aunt. So Krishna giving proper respect to all. And they were all giving their heartily blessings to Krishna. On the day of that eclipse,
solar eclipse.
On the time, on full Surya Grahan, all took bath. First time when it touched, the shadow touched. And when it was in middle, and when it was to end, 3 times. And giving so much donations, all. After that, they were happily sitting, and all the rishis were glorifying Krishna and Baldev. Especially, Kunti came to Vasudeva Maharaj, and she was weeping. My dear brother, you forget me? My sons were poisoned. And Draupadi was being naked by Duryodhana and others. They were driven from their kingdoms. Whole kingdom was taken by Duryodhana, and they were wandering here and there in forests. And you could not remember us. Him was poisoned also, and he was about to die. But you never remembered me, brother. I would have been happy that if you had sent Krishna and Baldev to me to console me. And she began to weep loudly. Vasudeva told, my dear sister, don't weep. Don't weep. And he washed her tears. You should remember that. At that time I was and my wife was in jail, banded with chain. And always repeating him, Kansa was repeating us. And he wanted to murder us at that time. My all sons were put to death. So what I could have done? You should also think for me. Oh, these are times. We should try to tolerate it. Now we are fortunate to meet here. try to forget all these things. And when a day come like this, we should try to tolerate. And we should take shelter in the lotus feet of this very Krishna. He is so powerful. And Baldev. In the meantime, Bhishma Pitama are well there. Krishna and Baldev, he heard something. That Nanda Baba with Jashoda, all Brajvashi, they are coming on bullock cart. When he heard this, he began to weep loudly. Mother, mother, mother. And he ran towards, Krishna and Baldev ran towards Nanda Baba and Jashoda. When he reached to Nanda Baba and Jashoda, cart was stopped, bullock cart, and they get down from the cart. Then Krishna at once went in the lap of Jashoda, Maiya, and Baldev in the lap of Nanda Baba, and they were all weeping bitterly. All the Brajvashi were there, also weeping bitterly. You can know that if your sons or daughter coming from after so many days, 1 year, 2 years, then tears will come. And if tears are not coming, then you are not real father, mother. So, all were weeping there. She was doing, oh, my dear son, Kana, Kana, Kana. And Krishna was weeping, mother, mother, mother. All were weeping. At once Rohini Maiya and Devaki reached there, Vasudev reached there, and they saw that Krishna has forgot everything and only weeping. In the taking his mouth covered with the bell of Jashoda. And so much milk was coming automatically for the breast of Jashoda. And tears automatically as a current of Jamuna or Ganges. And loudly weeping, weeping. Devaki told in his mind, oh, Krishna has forgot that Krishna is my son. And thinking Jashoda this, that she is my mother, and crying bitterly. And Jashoda also. She does not know that Krishna is my son. Or thinking Krishna that he is son, her son. And she is weeping. So he thought that I should tell this fact, real fact, that Krishna is my son. So Krishna must know and Jashoda. So he told, oh sister Jashoda, you are so fortunate. My son is so fortunate. My son is so fortunate. In our bad days, I sent my son to you, and you nourished, supported, and protected, and saved this my boy. Thinking like your son, you gave milk to him, and from there he is thinking that you are his mother, and he is thinking that she is my mother, and she is thinking that he is my son. So I am so much indebted to you that like a people of oil, you accept always like eye clips, eyelids, always you accept. In the meantime, Rohini Maiya thought that she is disturbing. She wants that I should declare that I am mother, he is my son. but real fact she does not know. So he told, sister, we should go to see Kunti Maya, Draupadi, Pandavas, and so many relatives are here. We should go there and to prepare something to give them for eating. So we should go and manage there. And strictly she took out Devaki from there. And then Vasudeva Maharaj also. Then Krishna met with his father, mother, and all Brajavasi. But the gopis were standing some far away, because where there is Baldev, where is Mother Yashoda and Nanda Baba and other Brajavasi, gopi cannot meet. So if a man taking some burden over his head, coming far away, and as nearer he is coming to his destination, this burden becomes more and more heavy. And when he reaches near, very near, he cannot tolerate. And when his home came, he will fell that burden. So gopis taking the burden that when we will meet with Krishna, they are coming from Vrindavan. And this burden was becoming more and more heavy. And when they reached and saw Krishna, it became so, they wanted to meet at once, otherwise this soul will go away. And when Yashoda and Nanda Baba were there meeting with Krishna, they cannot tell Lord. And they were about to die. Yashoda marked this. She is so intelligent. So she marked. And at once told Nanda Baba that we should go, and took the hands of Baldev, and we should go to meet Vasudeva, Devaki and others. And by skill she went from there. And then gopis were there, came. How they? It has been told here in Srimad Bhagavatam. Gopyascha Krishnam upalabhya chiradabhishtam jad prekshano disheshu pakshakritam shapanti drigvihidakritam malam parirabhya sarva to bhavmapu nitya jujam durab. Gopyascha Krishnam upalabhya chiradabhishtam jad prekshano disheshu pakshakritam shapanti Drigdi hridikitam malam parirabhya sarva tadabhavma purapi nitya jujam durapam. Gopyasya Krishna upalabdha chirad abhishtam. Krishna is their abhishta, their object of love. They cannot be separated. But for so many years, they are not met with Krishna. Now, upalabhya, here Krishna. At once, Krishna embraced them. Krishna became lakhs and lakhs as gopi were there. In a moment, and he embraced all. And all gopis thinking that Krishna is embracing us. And seeing Krishna, jat prekshane disheshu pakshakritam shapanti. But they were taking darshan of Krishna very nearby, Krishna embracing. But they were not satisfied. They were thinking that Brahma is not a good creator. He had not given lakhs and lakhs eyes so that we can see Krishna. And if he has given only two, but eyelids, he has given. All this coming down. Anyhow, we can tolerate it, but why tears coming? Always tears coming. So we cannot tolerate all these things. If you have Brahma, then we would have created Brahma with lakhs and lakhs innumerable from feet to top to bottom. Everywhere. In back also, lakhs eyes, here, in feet, in nails, everywhere so many eyes. No eyelids, no tear, nothing. Then would have been satisfied. Sukadeva Goswami is telling that Drigabhi Kritam Kriti Alam Parirabhya Sarva. Gopis took Krishna as a whole body through the way of eyes. They took in heart and embraced so much that Nitya Jujam Durapam Rukmani Satyabhamam daily meeting with Krishna. And so many yogis always remember Krishna in their hearts. But they were not like gopis. They also want that we should meet Krishna like gopis. Krishna meeting with Rukmani and Satyabhama, I told before. Meeting with them, but always remembering. Gopis. When meeting with Rohini and Devaki, remembering Maya Jashoda, weeping always. They know that Krishna is not satisfied here, and he never lives here. He is totally, fully in Braj. So, he is telling like this, Sukadeva Goswami here. After that, what became? Krishna told, I am liar, I am cheater, I am guilty, I am offender in your lotus feet. मैं बहुत ही अकृतज्ञ हूं. I am so much ungrateful. You left your homes. You left your husbands, father, mother, everything for me. But I am so ungrateful. I left you, and I married so many wives. Now I have so many children, and I have forget you. Do you think this? But even you have come to meet me. So what can I repay? I cannot repay. What you want? But you should know, Mayi bhaktiri bhutanam amritvaya kalpate yadasmit sneho bhautinang madapanah Mayi bhaktir hi bhutanam amritvaya kalpate. I know that my bhakti, my devotion, my practicing bhakti, bhutanam amritvaya kalpate, for all jivas. It is like amrita, nectar. Not this nectar. You know this nectar? Anyone can take it and be like Indra. But lust will not go. Anger will not go. Ignorance will not go. Pride will not go. By taking that, it will increase more. So Indra always did so many things like this. He went to wife of Gautam, you know. He did so many bad activities. But this, there is also one nectar. What? Mokshamrita. Liberation. But liberation are so many kind. They cannot give happiness to jivas. Never. If you are immersed in Krishna or Brahma, this is liberation. But this is like a abhishap, curse. Better to be stone, not to have that immersion. Never. And if you are having 4 kinds of liberations. What? Salukya, Sarupya, Shashti, Samipya. It is also not good. There is something own happiness. It is also not good. So anyone does not want to take it. They want to serve him, Krishna in Vrindavan, only they want. So, it is like more nectar, my bhakti. If he is sadhak, doing bhakti of Radha Krishna conjugal, and he is in this world, even he is not liberated, but he is more superior than those who are liberated. Amen. So he tells, but you have what? But you have sneha. Not only bhakti. Bhakti, shraddha, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav. Then prem, sneha. Oh, you have that sneha. So high. So, if any devotee has a sneha like this, anurag like this, love and affection, reaching in the stage of sneha, oh, I will be attracted at once. I must come there. So you have seen. So I must come to Vrindavan with you. Indication was that you must have me. So, aham hi sarvabhutanam. So I am not far away from you. Always with you. I am in the heart of you always. So don't think that I am far away. I am always with you. So like a Brahma Gyan he wanted to give for consolating them. Like air and water for is everyone's this body. It cannot be separated. Sun cannot be separated. Heat cannot be separated from sun. Light cannot be separated. So heat cannot be separated from fire. So I cannot be separated with you. But you are not seeing. So you should try to meditate me. Seeing this, Adhyatma Shiksha Gopya Eva Krishnena Shikshita Tado Smarana Dhvasta Jiva Kosho. Jiva Kosho Dhvasta. What? Mayavadi makes explanation like this. They mixed in Brahma. There was now no Jiva
separate existence.
Jiva Kosta Dhvasta. Dhvasta means that was destroyed. But this meaning is wrong. Here, Jiva Kosh means when Gopi heard from Krishna Desh, they became angry. Very angry. And why you are telling like this? It means that you don't want to come to Vrindavan and not to be with us. So they left this Kosh Jiva Kosh means what?
Left.
This Asha,
Hope.
that Krishna will not come. And so began to cry and weep. And they told after this, if their Jiva Kosh was liberated like Mayavadis, and they had mixed, and there was no Jiva, then how they can talk with Krishna afterward? With angry. They told like this, Ahushchate nanil nabh padara vinda jogais rishvarei Vichintamag agad bodai sansar ku patto tarnavalambam geham jusami manas udyarsada. They are telling, oh, you are like sun, our Guru. And this, your teaching is like very hot rays. Oh, you you are like Guru, we don't like this. From beginning, from our birth, we are playing with you. You are playing with us. And want to forget you. Always if you can forget us, why we cannot forget you? But this is the problem. We cannot. We want that we should forget Krishna. But as we want more and more, your remembrance comes. We don't want to go to Panghat. Panghat, you know? Panghat, the bank of Jamuna, where Krishna playing with gopis. So Krishna, we want to go there. Why? Because we have done pan. Pan means
Water.
Pan means vow. That we should go to Krishna because we have promised like this that we will go to meet you. This is pan. So where Panghat, where there is water and gopis go to there. In at any well or Jamuna, lakhs and lakhs gopi taking their water pots. Why they go? Because they have promised to Krishna that we will meet. And if you are not going then, our promise is failed. So this pan, pratigya, bhav. So gopi taking water pots and they go to Jamuna river, where Krishna is there, waiting for there. And in the meantime, when they reached there, and they were taking their water in Jamuna, and watching and looking for Krishna here and there. Then in the meantime, Krishna played on his very sweet flute. And when flute, the sound came, they became mad. Those who had taken water, they took on their head. Those who had not taken water, empty pot they took, and they went to Krishna's domain. This is Panghat. And there Krishna is doing rar with this gopis. What is rar? What is rar? Oh, love, quarreling. What? Prema kala. Oh, Krishna taking their vessels, empty or filled with water. And Krishna doing like this, twisting their arms. Oh, why you have to go? And this. Very pleasing, very pleasing. That is why gopis go there. All they began to remember all the pastimes and began to weep, all gopis. Oh, you are telling us to meditate. We don't want to meditate, we don't want to remember. But your remembrance comes. You comes always in our hearts. We cannot forget. We want. We pray to Lord that we should forget Krishna forever. But we cannot. So, sansar kupatito tarnavalambam. It may be for the yogis. They want to remember the feet of Krishna here in their hearts. And for lakhs and lakhs years they cannot take Krishna feet here. And we want to take it out. But not going and in yogi's heart not coming. This is so wonderful thing. And so many yogis, they are practicing Krishna name, Hare Krishna or anything. And they want that Krishna should come in our heart. So that they may come out of this well of world. Well of endless chain of birth and death, suffering and sorrow. But that Krishna never comes. And we want to take Krishna him out of our heart. Oh, alas, we can have done this. But we cannot do it. And you are telling you are teaching us to meditate. You should go to all other persons and tell them to meditate. Don't come to us and tell us and teach us to meditate. We don't want to meditate. Then yes, gopis are telling. So, who is telling? Srimati Radhika. Who Radhika?
Samyogini.
For how many days? They met only one day there. And after that, they dragged forcibly Krishna in their mind. Manu Ratha. Rath, no?
Chariot.
Chariot. What was that chariot?
The mind.
Heart. Because Gopi's heart and mind is same. But our heart and mind are not same. Aner hridaya man. More man. मने बने एक कर जानी ताहा तुम्हार पाप पद्म करो उदय if our mind and hearts is same, who is telling? Gopis are. But your hearts, our hearts and mind are not same. So many difference. Our hearts wants to serve Krishna, but mind always engaged here and there. So much different. Gopis are telling that if our mind and heart is same, then you want to come that you should meditate. Oh, then my mind is our heart is Vrindavan. So if you are coming to Vrindavan, then really you are coming to our meditation. So please come. And forcibly they told on their heart chariot. And they bringing Krishna to Vrindavan. This is chariot festival. If anyone doing chariot festival, eating, drinking, marrying, and all loudly doing Hare Krishna on mridanga and dancing so much, but not this mood is coming, then no fruit of doing all this festival. So the leader of that should be of this mood. And if the leaders are not in this mood, then whole chariot festival is like zero. Like zero. And if one Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there, he will change the whole situation of Rath Jatra of Puri. Before it was not like this, but when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu joined with his devotees like Swarup Damodar Raya Raman Nityanand Prabhu and Gadadhar Pandit, all, then it changed, was totally changed. And this Braj mood came. So, I am hearing here, there are going so many. If I want to join, oh, he should not come. He should not come.
That's the wrong
There
mood.
is ban on Narayan
Wrong mood.
because he will take our whole disciples and wealth. He is very tricky person.
He will change their mood. He will change mood.
He will jump and take our whole thing. They are saying that, oh, or so many wealthy and very good, sincere devotees, he jumped among us and he
Catch them.
but I want to join. So this is Sanjogini Radhika. Now one kirtan. In the Rath Jatra, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his devotees, being divided himself, manifested in 7 parties, showing his opulence. He was there. Some were dancing, some were singing, some were doing so many things. But if he was in mood of Radhika, Nityananda Prabhu even cannot touch him if he is rolling down on the earth. This is, so many things are in that. So this is Sanjogini Radha. He is out of Vrindavan, but with Krishna. Gaur Pramana. One kirtan? One kirtan. Any good kirtan? हाँ 1 घंटा हो गया I am speaking for Mama. Why you should not check me after 20 minutes?
Jasomati Nandana Brajabarana Gana Gokula Nandana Jasomati Nandana Brajabarana Gana Gokula Nandana Jasomati Nandana
Brajabarana Now you know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always being in Navadvip, like Vrishabhanandini in Vrindavan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always lives in Navadvip or covered Vrindavan, Prachanna Vrindavan, Gupta, hidden Vrindavan. He never goes out, always in Navadvip. And Viyogini always in Puri. And Sanjogini in south, sometimes in Srirangam with Gopal Bhatta and his fathers, and sometimes on bank of Godavari, meeting with and here and there. So Puri is most superior than south.
In the Rat Festival also? Rat Festival, Samyogini or Viyogini?
What?
Rath Yatra Festival in Puri? Which manifestation of Mahaprabhu?
Yes, it will come in Viyogini. Shaita Prananath Pain, like this. And also Sanjogini takes him in Puri, in that. And so Puri is more superior than south. And Navadvip is more superior, lakhs times more than that. Then, though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed his so much high notes, Radhaya, Pranay, Mahima, always, sometimes intertwise, sometimes
So long.
so, but yet Navadvip is superior because there was Nar Leela,
Madhurya.
pastime of
Madhurya.
Like human being.
there. Opulence covered with Madhurya there. There were so many opulence, but covered with the love of Sachi Maya, love and affection of Gadadhar, and all. So it is more superior. So many devotees cannot decide that how Navadvip is superior than Puri, like in Gambhira. But you should now reconcile all these things. Gaur now your programs.
Dancing.
She is ready?
Yes, she's ready.
Or to she at once come.
Make some place, please.
You should go and manage.
All the
Anyone?
devotees should come on this side, please.
As much as possible.
Like yesterday and the day before we had drama. Make some place here.
Where is Prabhu? Brajnath? Brajvallabha? Oh, you should go and manage. You should go and manage.
Here tomorrow have sacrifice.
Here, I have here. Please all the devotees make some place like the other day, yesterday.
No worry.
This, stopping. Hare Krishna. Please, Prabhus, Didis, make some place for the Bharatanatyam dance.
Doing something? Doing something? Complete?
Yes, yes.
All things, understanding all these things, what I am telling?
Not all things.
Huh?
I'm understanding so many things and new things, and
Okay.
some things I'm missing. Some things.
So you can speak. Ask.
Also, we want to invite all the devotees tomorrow to come to the center in Moulambar. Radhanath Prabhu and Premananda Prabhu are preparing 54 Brisbane Street, number 54. Tomorrow morning at 10:30, all should assemble there.
If it is raining, no harm?
No harm, it is inside.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, Naveen Prabhu. Is that okay, 10 o'clock? There will be sumptuous kirtan and harikatha and prasad also after. Very good. Huh?
And you should also declare.
देखो tomorrow fire service
I will go to some devotees before that.
ना ना
Yes.
सब लोग किचन में जाके कीर्तन करोगे
But you should tell them.
Yeah, I told them already. If they have a good plan. If they don't have a good plan, then yes, otherwise they will. Before we will go.
I've been writing one play about what you spoke about yesterday and what you spoke about today. I've been writing 2 plays since I met you. Drama.
Can do. Very good.
Next year I will.
Next year,
They're 2 very, very.
how can I wait and tolerate?
Excuse me. Look, I'm going to stand
That's it. Very, very good. Come on here. Come on, come on. Very sweet tone. Very. Thank you. Have you danced?
Can you
If you
dance?
are can you dance? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Can you dance? You should dance, then I will.
Dancing. First you should dance.
Can you dance?
Some nice music to go with it. Lovely.
जय चिलीला कृष्ण विष्णु महाराज स्तोत्र स्तोत्र श्री श्रीमान श्रील गोविंद महाराज की जय जहाँ विश्व परमहंस परिवार स्तोत्र स्तोत्र श्री श्रीमान श्री भक्त